birthday to you. I'm a fool.
Very so beautiful. Like, look how pretty this is. Hey guys, it's Ariel, and today is my 16th birthday party. I guess you could call it a birthday party. It's just me and my friends, and we're gonna go out to eat, and we're gonna go in a limo and like go around town, take some pictures, you know, like a little photo shoot. Woohoo! So I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. So yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so my outfit is not it's like not that like out there. It's just kind of basic. I just have a white shirt from I think it's from Brandy or Paxton. I honestly forgot. And these pants are from Brandy. They're just like some like loose like plaid pants, I guess. I do have my boots. My boots I just got. They're just they're just plain black boots, like nothing like too fancy. So, and then I got some jewelry to like accessorize, I guess. And I got my little hoops. Yeah, it's only 3 o'clock, and the limo is supposed to get here at 7. And so everyone has to be here before 7. But like Alyssa and Jordan, they're coming over at 5, so we can take some like sunset pictures and like golden hour pictures. So I'll see you guys when they get here. Oh, and by the way, I didn't show you guys this. Wait, let me put the lights on to make it all cute. Oh, ow. Okay, so these are my balloons. I got them from Party City. They just have all like 1/6. They aren't that big because like the big balloons that you see, that I like see on Instagram, they're like $10 a piece, and like I'm broke. I don't have money for that, so I got the cheaper ones, and they were only $1.99, and they're the exact same thing. We're going in the limo. Oh, look, we got the whole squad. Where are they all at? How do we get in? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wig. Oh my god, I almost fell. Oh my god. Oh my god, my wig. We got a fat limo. Oh my god. Wait, where's the aux cord? Where's Olive with the pearls? Like a pro.
Oh, it's not focused. Wait. How's it focus, Ariel? Ariel, help me out!
Going to the trigger bus at AP, yeah. Slide on the water like a jet ski, yeah. I'm trying to be your bestie, yeah. Double with the sketch, so do not test me, yeah. Quick flag tip, go, woo, on it. I'm a fool!
I look so ugly in the thing. I gotta put up more.
Wait, we're taking a video?
Yeah, we're singing. Okay.
Oh, we're singing, yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ariel. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
We are.
It looks like a mini TV from my
Where
angle.
is my phone? We're at the dinner.
Oh, is that Ariel's?
We're about to take some photos. We're about to go downtown. Hey, Ariel's vlog. Yay. Isley. Isley. Bro, Isley.
2, 1. Oh my god, I thought I was
pockets that are bigger than my back. Hey! Rain, rain, go away. That's it on my head and say it's stuck over. Bang it! They never evaporate. No need to elaborate.
We're walking in. Oh my thumb is broke.
Oh wow, rest in peace. That's why Jesus is on my side. It didn't crack. Yes. We love being a Christian.
I know. Is that your phone?
Yeah.
Oh.
My screensaver cracked.
Right there, just right. Yeah.
We love being a Christian.
Yeah, we have to enter right here. I took a picture.
People gonna look at me.
There's nobody.
Okay,
Yeah. Okay, so we're at this restaurant called the Eagle, and it's very so beautiful. Like, look how pretty this is. Like, oh my god. Like, and we're just taking pictures here, and people are staring at us, but like, you gotta do anything for Instagram pictures, okay? We're just sitting here by the fire, just warming up. It's snowing? Oh my god, it's snowing. It's very fall. It's like fall.
Oh my god.
It's like fall. Come on, work on it.
I can't do it. Oh my god. I need the
We're currently right through 4th Street and they're starting. Oh god, it's so cold. I'm about to kill myself.
By the way, is it on me? I used an actual, the bottom of your headboard or your baseboard as a pillow last night.
That's what it called. I did too.
Oh god. Oh my. Sorry. This is more than I got on my paycheck last week. Getting money. Oh god, this is so much reading. I can't wait to get married too. I want to make a card like this, but I'm too broke.
It was literally $3.
Okay guys, so that's the end of my Sweet 16 vlog or whatever I'm gonna name this.
She's still 15.
I'm still 15. I haven't turned 16 yet. I will on November 13th, which is on Tuesday. So go comment happy birthday on my Instagram. JK, just don't do that. Or Snapchat me, whatever. Yeah, I'll see you guys whenever I post next. I don't know when. Yeah. Bye.
Songs about you, you know I was wrong about you, let you hold on to this cash, let you hold on to